One of the things that we're looking at as we go into the end of the year, and it's not only a trade, but it is also going to be a gauge for what we would expect the equities and yields to do into 2023, and that is, where are bonds going? Now, the cool thing about trading bonds is there's a number of ways to do it: the ZB futures or the TLT ETF. All right, gang, Raghee here, and we're going to dive into a setup that I like a lot in ZB. Right now, we're trading the March contract, or H, in ZB, and what we're going to use are my grab candles, the 34 EMA wave, and my multi-trends. You can see all three of those. Here's your multi-trend right there, my grab candles, the color-coded candles, and the 34 EMA wave. This is all part of the TOPS system, and we'll be talking a lot more about TOPS going into 2023. Why do we want to look at the wave and grab candles? Because for the most part, bonds have been in an uptrend. They are bullish. So pulling back to, call this a mean reversion, call this a retracement, call it whatever you'd like, but this is the zone that we are looking for support. Why support? Well, take a look at the Darvis there. Take a look at the wave. Two reasons to expect if buyers are going to show up, it's here within that zone of that mean reversion. We're talking about the 128.07 level in bonds, and we're looking for this market to move up to about 130, 130. Now, if you're wondering, Rag, what does this look like? What has this done in the past? Well, let me show you here. When we see the market bounce into the wave like this, I'm going to expect the probability, right? Nothing's a certainty. I'm going to expect the probabilities are we'll bounce and continue in the direction from which we're going. Let me show you what TLT looks like and what strike you'll be looking at there. Keep an eye on the 103 or the 102 calls for January 20. One of the things that I love to do for traders who might be futures traders but uncomfortable with the cost or the risk of, say, the 30-year bond is remind everybody that we have futures on this contract, futures options on this contract, as well as options on the TLT. So this is very scalable and very approachable. So if you're a new futures trader thinking, Rag, I don't have the initial balance, the initial margin requirement, that's not the balance in my account. I can't take such an expensive trade in any futures symbol. Remember, there's always options, and very often there are alternatives with the ETF. So that's the long setup in ZB, a number of different ways, and those are the tools that I'm using to do it. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.